Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to change your profile picture. And so for that, firstly you need to download Facebook application in your mobile phone. As you can see in my screen, I have already pre-downloaded the application here. So simply tap on the application where at the top right there is 3 vertical rows. So simply click on this. And here you can see that your name is displayed, so click on the displayed name button, and at the middle you can see there is your display image. It is in an icon, and right there you can see a camera icon. So you need to simply tap on this, and when you tap on the camera icon, there will be 3 options that will be popping up. That is, either you can add frames or create avatar profile picture or just select a profile picture. So click on select profile picture, and here you can select any photos that you like. So I'm going to click on this, and as you can see that these photos have appeared here. And now at the top right there is a button which says save, so just simply click on save button. And after this you can see that your profile picture has been updated now, and in this way you can simply change your profile picture. And I hope this video helped you. Thank you.